So, hi everyone, this is Madina Maidin here. Well, I'm just going to, let's go straight into the video. Right now, I'm just going to show you how to make a simple prasad offering, food offering. We call it Naivedyam or Nivedanam. For the gods, right? So this is a simple one. This is my first video. So now let me just turn on the heat a little. Yep. And here I'm just going to melt some butter onto the pan, onto the pot, right? Increase the heat a bit. It's about 5 grams of butter, right? 5 grams of butter. And I have broken cashew nuts, raw cashew nuts, but 3 whole cashew nuts, right? I just broken them into small pieces, right? So I have fried the cashew nuts. Now the remaining 5 grams of butter into the pot. Some culinary rice powder. This is another 5 grams of butter. And I have just a pinch of salt, maybe 1-2 grams, and some turmeric rice powder, which is probably about 10 grams. So I'm just going to throw everything in here. Now you can get tamarind rice powder in shops. Okay, they're readily available. Now I have about 20 ml of. I used an ml syringe to measure this. 20 ml of moong dal, which is yellow split peas, and some brown and black rice, which is 20 ml of brown and black rice. So I'm just going to put this into the pot. This is the first time I'm using this hot plate, as I have said earlier. So I'm just getting used to the cooking speed and the heat. So bear with me. Thanks. So now, this is 20 ml of yellow split peas and another 20 ml of black and brown rice. Okay. So just a recap. we've put in about 1 to 2 grams of salt, 10 grams of tamarind rice powder, and I've now put in 20 ml of yellow split peas washed, okay, and 20 ml of brown and black rice washed, right? So I have with me about 50 ml of water here, so I'm just going 50 ml of water, so for the rice to cook, right? So I can just turn on the heat. So as you can see, the rice and the yellow split peas are cooking, and the spice mix and the tamarind rice powder and water mix. So it is very small quantity, so it's going to cook really fast, right? So I'm going to recap as it cooks. First, I fried 3 cashew nuts crushed in 5 grams of butter, and then I've left it aside, right? And then now I fried about 10 grams of tamarind rice powder and 1 to 2 grams of salt in 5 grams of butter, and then I've thrown in about 20 ml of yellow split peas washed, and another 20 ml of organic black and brown rice washed, right, and soaked and washed. So now just soaked for about a few minutes, not for too long. Yeah. So now, as the food gets cooked, right, we just have to wait. So it's cooking in about 50 ml of water. So as it is cooking, I'm going to pour about probably about 20 to 30 ml of coconut milk, right? Into the pot and let it cook together with the mixture. So it's still cooking. We've thrown in another, with the 50 ml of water, I've thrown in about 20 to 30 ml of coconut milk, according to your preference, right? I think the offering looks great. Still a bit more to go. I think we should be done soon. Hi guys, so now the food offering is beginning to take shape, okay? So turn down the heat a little to prevent burning under. So as you guys can see, the food offering is almost cooked, right? So hi guys, the offering is cooked. So now I'm gonna just put in the pepper nuts that I had fried earlier, right? So So here you go, the simple food offering is now ready, right? So I'm going to turn off the heat. I haven't tasted it yet because this is offering to the gods. So I'll probably have it as prasadam after my prayers are done. So thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Now this is my first time cooking in this hot plate. So thanks for bearing with my mistakes or whatever. Thanks a lot guys. I'll be probably uploading more videos. I'll probably be uploading more videos on more cooking more videos on cooking different food offerings for the gods. Thanks a lot for watching again. See you guys. Bye. Have a good day.